Hi dear students, this is the second video about the functions, and we are going to continue with functions. We are going to try to understand functions better here. And you remember from the previous video what is the input value that is given by us, and output value with respect to this diagram, the value as an outcome that we evaluate, that we find. So if you put 1 inside this one, 1 times 2, it's going to be equal to 2. Then plus 3, it's going to be equal to 5. If you put here 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, plus 3, it's going to be, then it's equal to 7. So the output value, it becomes 7. Or if you try 3, let's say we try 3, 2 times 3 plus 3, it's going to be, which is equal to 2 times 3, 6. Plus 3, it's going to be 9. So the output value is equal to 9. And if you try another value like 4, 2 times 4, it's equal to 8 plus 3, it's going to be equal to 11. So when you change the input value, you're going to get the output value different, which is 11. The last one is when you change to 4, 4 times 2 plus 3, and the result, it's going to be equal to 11. If you write instead of, in this table, if you write instead of these numbers, one general number like unknown number. So this is going to be x times 2, 2 times x, 2 times x, plus 3, plus 3, it's going to be equal to y. So the form here, the rule connecting x to y is written as 2x plus 3 or y is equal to 2x plus 3. This is called function. And here the function for the table, for the functions, we can make tables, and we can write the table like this. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9. And if x is equal to 4, y is going to be equal to 11. So these are becoming x values. These are the x values. These are the y values of the function. It becomes, and the form when it is written y is equal to 2x plus 3, this is the linear function or function it is called. Okay, find the missing values in the table for the equation y is equal to 2x minus 5. So here, if x is equal to minus 4, and if y is equal to 9, what is the value here? For the first one, let's say a, x is equal to minus 4. So in 2x, y is equal to 2 times x minus 5, which is equal to, y is equal to 2 times minus 4 minus 5, and y is equal to minus 8 minus 5, y is equal to minus 13, it's going to be. So this value is minus 13. The second value that we need to find is x. So if y is equal to 9, y is equal to 9, what is x here? And for finding the x value, you are going to say 9 is equal to 2 times x minus 5. Generally, we do we send the unknown term to left side, but with respect to your wish, here I'm going to send to left side. If you don't want, you can send only this number. Minus 2x is equal to minus 5 minus 9, it's going to be, which is equal to x is equal to minus 2x is equal to minus 14, and x is equal to minus 14 divided by minus 2, it's going to be, x is equal to 7, it's going to be. You remember, minus divided by minus, it's going to be equal to plus. This is important here. And also here, the term minus 2x, actually it is equal to minus 2 times x it is. That's why when you send to other side, you should send all the -2 together. And this is not same with the addition or subtraction to change the sign. You need to remember also that one here. Okay, here we have these exercises also. I want to solve 2 of them. If write each of these function machines as equation in form of y is equal to what. So here the form it is given, you understand that one, y is equal to one of them. Let's say the b1, I'm writing the b1, 7 times x, it's going to be y is equal to 7 times x, and then -2 it's going to be, or the c1 or f1 also it can be, f1 for the f1, 8 times x, then -1, then all over 3 it's going to be. Why all over 3? Because it's dividing, it's not dividing only the x, it's dividing all. So it should be like that, then it's equal to y, or I'm going to write y is equal to, at the beginning I'm going to write that one, 8x minus 1 divided by 3 also it can be. Here also on this page we are going to the function machines, they are going to functions it is given, and we are going to write the function machine. I'm going to do this one for the a. I'm going to solve only 2 of them. 5 times x plus 7 it says, so the first one it's going to be times 5, or times 5, you can use this one also here, times 5 and plus 7 it's going to be the first one. And I want to solve maybe the third one, d1 also, times 3 here it's going to be, and times 3 for this is for d1, it's going to be like 3 times, firstly times 3, you are going to multiply the x by times 3, then you are going to subtract -7, then you are going to divide by 2, all of them by 2, so divide by 2 in follow diagram, it's going to written like this. Be careful, not only 7 divided by 2, or all divided by 2, that's why it should be written in this form. And this is the last part here. As you see, we have this expression here, 3x plus 4 firstly, and I'm going to write the table for that one. So it's going to be like this. This is going to be times 3 and then plus 4. So with respect to that one, you are going to fill the table like this. You are going to 5 times here for the a1 I'm solving. Since it is 3x plus 4 is equal to y, you are going to replace the x value by firstly -5. So it's going to be 3 times -5 plus 4, and it's equal to 3 times -5 plus 4. That's going to be -15 plus 4, which is equal to -11 it's going to be. So here, instead of the y place, I'm going to write 11, -11, I'm sorry. So when x is equal to -1, it means that you are going to find 3 times -1 plus 4, which is equal to -3 plus 4, that's equal to 1. Okay, then the last one, it's going to be here, not the last one, 3 times 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6 plus 4, that's equal to 10. And the last one, 3 times 8 plus 4, that's equal to 24 plus 4, which is equal to 28. So this is going to be equal to 28. And if you remember, all the values, these are the x values that I put, input value, and the y values that I found. Here in the other questions also, for C and D, for these expressions, you know, y values also given. It is not problem. If the y value is given, we can find the x value with respect to equation. You know that one.